Hey everyone, welcome back to Superior. Today we're diving into a powerful topic, how to change your life. Whether you're feeling stuck, lost, or just ready for a fresh start, this video is your roadmap to transformation. So, grab a pen, take notes, and let's get started. First things first, you have to recognize that change is necessary. No one else can do it for you. Ask yourself, am I satisfied with my life right now? What areas do I want to improve? What's holding me back? Acknowledge where you are. It's okay to feel stuck, but the magic begins when you admit you're ready for change. Next, you need clarity. What exactly do you want to change? Be specific. Instead of saying, I want to be happier, say, I want to exercise 3 times a week, or I want to find a new job within the next 3 months. Write down your goals. Make them measurable and realistic. Small wins lead to big transformations. Once you have your goals, break them into smaller, manageable steps, for example. If your goal is to get fit, your steps could be 1. Research workout routines. 2. Start with 10-minute sessions. 3. Gradually increase intensity. 4. Track progress weekly. Having a plan keeps you focused and motivated. Remember, progress, not gratitude. Transformation happens through consistency. Develop daily habits that align with your goals. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Meditate or journal. Read a chapter of a book. Practice gratitude. Routines make change automatic. Over time, these small actions compound into lasting results. Change is scary. Self-doubt can creep in. That voice that says, you can't do this. Here's the truth. Everyone faces fear. The difference is, successful people push through it. Remind yourself of your why. Celebrate small wins. Every step forward is progress. Your environment matters. Surround yourself with people who motivate and support you. Limit negativity. Unfollow toxic accounts. Distance yourself from doubters. Find mentors, join communities, or engage with like-minded individuals. Shared energy fuels growth. Real change takes time. Don't expect overnight results. Be patient, stay persistent, and trust the process. When setbacks happen, learn from them. Remember, resilience is key. Each day is a new chance to move closer to the life you want. Periodically review your progress. Ask yourself, what's working? What's not? Do I need to adjust my goals? So are you ready to take the first step? Remember, the power to change your life lies within you. Start small, stay consistent, and never give up. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button. Subscribe for more empowering content. And share your goals in the comments below. I'd love to hear your plans for change. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care, and go build the life you deserve.